Recently, appearance-based gaze estimation methods have made remarkable progress. However, these methods face significant challenges when trained and tested on different domains, which can result in decreased performance. This is due to the controlled conditions under which training data is collected, versus the diverse and uncontrolled environments in which estimators are meant to operate. We propose unsupervised domain adaptation (UNRIGA) for gaze estimation to address this issue. Our approach adapts a source-trained gaze estimator to unlabeled target domains without any source data. UNRIGA reduces both sample and model uncertainty to achieve domain adaptation. We mitigate sample uncertainty by enhancing image quality and making images gaze estimation friendly, and we reduce model uncertainty by minimizing prediction variance on same inputs. Due to the domain gap resulting from differences in subjects, backgrounds, or illuminations between the source and target data, gaze estimators trained on source data often fail to perform adequately on target data. Our goal is to improve the performance of the source-trained gaze estimator on target data. However, due to privacy and efficiency concerns, accessing annotated source data and to-be-predicted target data simultaneously can be challenging. As a solution, we propose to first train the model with labeled source data and then adapt the source-trained model with unlabeled target data. In our research, we've made key observations about the relationship between domain gap and uncertainty. Firstly, through our analysis, we discovered that the source-trained model's uncertainty varies across different domains, and we noticed that the larger the domain gap between the target and source, the larger the model's uncertainty. Secondly, we found that by using enhancement techniques to reduce the domain gap between the source and target domains, we could effectively decrease the model's uncertainty. Lastly, we observed that the gaze error of samples between domains increased as the uncertainty of the samples grew. We propose to reduce cross-domain gaze error by reducing uncertainty, including sample uncertainty and model uncertainty. Sample uncertainty, also called aleatoric uncertainty, refers to noise inherent in the images, such as sensor noise and motion blur, and can be reduced by face enhancement. Model uncertainty, also called epistemic uncertainty, is defined as variance of different estimators' predictions on the same image, and we reduce it by variance minimization mechanism. Our method consists of 3 stages: model training, source-free adaptation, and inference on target data. In the model training stage, we train a face enhancer and gaze estimators jointly on source data. The face enhancer reduces the sample uncertainty by improving the quality of the input images while preserving the gaze direction before and after enhancement. We keep a set of trained gaze estimators at different iterations during the training process for the next adaptation stage. In the adaptation stage, we only have the unlabeled target data and the source model, without the source data, to adapt the gaze estimators from different iterations to the target data. We update their parameters in an unsupervised way by minimizing the model uncertainty and maintaining their gaze estimation ability using pseudo-labels. In inference stage, we first use the face enhancer trained on source data to improve the quality of the input image. Then we use the mean estimator, which is obtained by averaging the parameters of k-gaze estimators updated on target data, to estimate the gaze direction. We conducted cross-domain gaze estimation experiments in 4 domains, 2 of which were used as sources and 2 as targets. We utilized a small number of unlabeled target samples for source-free adaptation in all experiments. The experiment results show our method outperforms other methods on these cross-domain gaze estimation tasks. We present some examples of high-quality and low-quality target images, along with their image quality scores, model uncertainty scores, and gaze errors. The results demonstrate that face enhancement can improve image quality, reduce gaze errors, and lower model uncertainty. Furthermore, we visualized the model uncertainty and gaze errors resulting from the application of both enhanced face and UNRIGA on various samples sorted by model uncertainty. Our findings indicate that both face enhancement and UNRIGA consistently reduce model uncertainty and gaze errors relative to the baseline, across groups with different levels of uncertainty. This highlights the correlation between the reduction of model uncertainty and the reduction of gaze errors. In summary, we introduced a novel approach called Uncertainty Reduction Gaze Adaptation (UNRGA) for adapting gaze estimators on unlabeled target domains without requiring source data. Our method reduces sample uncertainty through phase enhancement and minimizes model uncertainty by variance minimization. Overall, our approach achieved state-of-the-art results on cross-domain gaze estimation tasks. Thank you.